Okay folks, welcome back. So I've had a little bit of time to spend on the lathe copier that I've been working on, and thought I'd shoot you guys a little update video just to show you where I'm at with it. So it's moving along pretty quick. This is pretty simple stuff really when you get at it. You know, all I needed was, you know, something to slide back and forth and something to slide in and out, be able to follow a copy. So what I'm going to do for the sliding back and forth, just get rid of this stuff to show you, is this simple track system. You know, I've used melamine for lots of stuff over the years, and you know, this stuff slides just like it's on air really. So all I did was make this channel out of melamine and made this simple box to go in here, and this is what my saw is going to get attached to, and you know, then I'll be able to just slide it back and forth. And if I find it ever does get sticky, I can just spray this with a little bit of spray silicone, wipe it, and it's just like it's on air. I almost think this slides better than it would if it was on bearings or anything else. And then I don't have to worry about dirt neither, because this thing should always just keep itself cleaned out. And yeah, so the next thing, I guess the last video there I shot, I was planning on using the skill saw. Well, I made a change, and what I'm actually going to use is an angle grinder, because if you've seen the video there where I made the drum for the drum sander, I was actually just using a single dado cutter wing on the table saw, and it was doing all the cutting, and it was doing a beautiful job. So what I'm going to do is just use a single dado cutter on this as well, and it fits on this, the grinder nice. And I know I had to remove the guard, and I'll have to obviously make a new guard when I do this, but it fits it very nice. So now, you know, this will give me my back and forth motion. So now to get my in and out motion, which I'm going to need to be able to create the different profiles, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run a couple of, I'm going to actually use drawer slides for this, these full extension drawer slides, because I think I can cover them up enough that I don't think any sawdust will get in them. So I'll put, you know, a couple down the bottom that this will set on, and then there will be a single one off to the side, and that'll give me my stability this way and this way. So this thing is just going to get mounted to the top of this. Then it's going to, you know, it'll be spinning. I guess I'll have to move it. And I'm actually going to, once I get this done, I'll actually extend it and then start it up and run it back in so it creates a slot in this. And then, so then what I'm going to be able to do is, you can see, to be able to get the template, my template will just set on this back little ledge that I've made here. I'll be able to carve a design in this, whatever I want to come out on my turning, and then I'm just going to be able to get some sort of little pin that'll run down right here, so when this gets moved out, it'll follow that pin. I'll just be able to slide this down and, you know, be able to create my copy off a little template here. So you know, quite a bit more to do, but you know, I couldn't resist showing you guys a video, so hopefully you enjoyed seeing it, and hopefully you keep tuning in. We'll see you next time.